believe that this year for us in terms of season was more preparation for the long term. And over the many years that I have been in the system, the importance of season is coming down quite a bit because of two things. One is, I think the whole business is flattening out more. So our own dependence on just season being the only part of time where we really make good business is changing. And the second reason is that with our sort of increase in terms of portfolio, the business again is tending to flatten out because products like juice drinks get consumed through the year. Having said that, I think we were a bit cautious ourselves this year because we had this implementation of GST from the 1st of July, and we thought it's only prudent for us to really do what's right, so that when we start up after GST, after understanding the implications, we can really have a much smoother system. So I would say that the season was really tempered by this approach, which we had jointly decided and taken with our trade partners. In my personal view, I think what exists outside you in terms of regulation, be it tax or any other regulation, is part of the boundary conditions of doing a business. So I would not completely agree that things are loaded against us. I would say yes, am I disappointed with a higher tax rate for a certain portfolio? Obviously, I mean everybody likes to have a favorable taxation. But does that mean that it is loaded against us? I would tend to believe no, because every single thing gives you some opportunities. We believe GST is a great legislation and it's going to give us a lot of efficiencies and a lot of freedom to operate in the country. So we see great opportunity coming out of it. Now in terms of pricing, we are very clear that our job is to delight the consumer. Our job is to ensure that every consumer in India gets value. So we are really structuring our portfolio in such a way that every consumer gets value. Would there be a bit of pricing in a few packs, few brands? Yes. But at the same time, would there be value offerings which would offset this pricing? Absolutely yes. So you would see us emerge in the next 3 months with a very balanced portfolio which addresses the needs of a consumer who's really somebody who's struggling to earn money, to a consumer who is affluent. Absolutely. We're going to look at beyond that. Normally the way we handle this, we try to avoid as much as freight price increase because that's not in favor of the consumer. So in this case we are going beyond that. So we operate what is called a brand pack price architecture. So we normally sort of revamp that BPPC as we call it by taking price in something and giving value in something else. But this time we are going beyond that. We are trying to create some value products which can really go to the consumer and create good value for them. I mean, we had pretty heady growth for almost a decade. We've had some macro changes. Some of it which are basically linked to the taxation, but some of it also linked to consumer preferences and taste. And one of the things that we are working on to really ensure that we go to the next phase with the equally powerful growth engine is to really start broadening our portfolio. In fact, this has been something which our new CEO James has really stated to the world, that we are getting into what he calls the beverages for life. Which is, if you see, every person has a lifespan and every person has drinking moments in a day. Basically the drinking moments, they say, are around 16 drinking moments in a day, where everybody tries to grab a beverage. And then you have a lifespan which could be 70, 75, 80 years. So our approach is to see how we can fill in each drinking moment at a certain given span of age. And this is what we're going to work on globally, and this is what India will also do. We will keep expanding our portfolio to ensure that we cover the spaces. This gives us several benefits. Then we really give the consumer the choice to pick up a beverage of their liking. And it also gives us the opportunity to really create marketing engines which could really establish multiple drinking moments. which broad bases our business quite a bit. So this is what we're going to go on.